So the big picture for this lesson is adding and subtracting rational expressions. So what are rational expressions? Well, they're basically fractions that contain variables. So for example, 1 over x plus 2 is a rational expression. And let's add another rational expression, 1 over x. So how would you add these? Well, it's the same idea as adding regular fractions. You need a common denominator. So if you were going to add 1/3 plus 1/2, for example, you would need to find a common denominator of 6. So what you would do is multiply this first fraction by 2 over 2, and the second fraction by 3 over 3. And then what that does is it gives you 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. See, once you have a common denominator, you can add. So that's our goal here. Exact same process. So what I'm going to do is multiply this first fraction by x over x, and the second fraction by x plus 2 over x plus 2. And that will leave x divided by x times x plus 2 plus x plus 2 divided by x times x plus 2. And notice I'm leaving the denominators in factored form for now, and that will be easier for simplifying if the fraction can be reduced at the end. So now we're going to add the fractions. Remember, you add the numerators and keep the denominator the same. So x plus 2, that is 2x plus 2 divided by x times x plus 2. Now you need to try to simplify. Notice that there's a 2 in common with the numerator, so I'm going to factor that out. 2 times x plus 1 divided by x times x plus 2. There are no common factors here, so it can't be simplified. You have to be very careful here, because it might be tempting to try and simplify this x plus 2 and x plus 2, but really that's not a common factor. It has to be a common factor for the entire numerator and denominator, and there are no common factors. So this is your solution for adding those rational expressions. And you're going to see subtracting rational expressions and also simplifying complex fraction, which is basically fractions divided by fractions. And that's the big picture.